she's vegan. La 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 la. She's got food in the six seasons. La 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 la. She's got juice and fun and freedom. La 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 la. Healthy meals that you can save. La 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 la.
Good morning. I was wondering where you were.
Girl, I was not wondering where you were. Is my breakfast ready?
It's up there. Already went up there.
That's good.
It's already up there.
I heard you, girl.
Okay.
Ooh, it is so cold, honey. Got my black and white feet hurting. Here she is still looking at me. Why is she, if the food is up there, go away. Let me scurry on up here. Skirt, turn on them, okay? She is still recording me. Baby, and this better not, let me smell. Because if this is anything but Friskies, I'm finna go off. Hold on, I'm getting closer. Okay, I don't see no off-brand on here. All right, okay, it's good. All right, girl, bye, go to work. Go to work.
Oh, this is how cold it is. Little, I guess ice on my windshield. That's crazy. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. I made the same breakfast right now that I did yesterday with the muscle milk and the oatmeal. Just letting that soak in, and hopefully it'll be ready by the time I get to work. I did see Stralicia this morning. I was worried because, again, it is, sorry, I had the heat on blast. I just realized it is freezing. Okay, freezing. So drinking the other half of this for breakfast. We'll have that later on at work. Got my kombucha, and then I had the same lunch as yesterday, that the tofu we made on Sunday with the noodles. So woohoo, it's gonna be a productive day, y'all. And I have on, this time I made sure I have on gym attire. Yesterday I had on some jeans, so I couldn't go directly to the gym. We're going to the gym after work, baby. Yeah, 10 pounds before March. Y'all forgot? Y'all forgot? I didn't forget. Did not forget. So today really was productive. We went to the library, and then we went to Goodwill, where I found myself a cute little blue coat. Then by the time we got back home, I was starving. Remember, I did not eat anything this morning except for water and kombucha. So I was going for my oatmeal that I made this morning, y'all. Did not make it. Discovered that the protein shake never like went down to the bottom. I did not stir it. I just kind of poured it and went. I thought it was gonna soak in, baby. It said no. So I only ate about half of that struggle meal, and I went ahead and ate some of my lunch. Got the kids down for a nap, and who am I watching? Toni Mitchell. Okay, she gonna make you move your body. All right, so that's what I'm doing. Then I remember, girl, you didn't even have your energy drink. Sip that, bam. Okay, now let's get back to moving. Ow, 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 ow. I really enjoyed this. It was like a majorette workout that she had us doing, so it wasn't anything difficult, but it was just a way to move your body while the kids were asleep.
I don't want to go to the gym, but I'm gonna go. Say it again, girl. I don't want to go to the gym, but I'm gonna go. Oh, I had a long day at work, but we got goals and we gonna twerk. I don't want to go to the gym, but I'm gonna go.
I'm going straight to the gym. I have on gym attire. Let's just do it. Headphones are right there. They're charged. I'm going straight there. Straight to the gym. I'm gonna go home. I'm not tired. I'm not exhausted. I just don't want, like, this is more of a, I don't want to go, but I actually feel fine. Y'all saw how late I drunk my energy drink, so that has really, really been helping, drinking it later on in the day. So we're going. We're doing this. 10 pounds by March, baby. Yeah. Nothing to really report except for, well, y'all saw that already. I'm about to say, yeah, I got my jacket from Goodwill, but maybe that was it. That was all. So, all right, I will see y'all at the gym, honey. All right, y'all, my home gym is back open, but I'm gonna run to the Dollar Tree real quick because I need a couple more supplies for the party, and I want to see if they have it so I don't have to do any last minute sourcing. But yeah, home gym is back open. Whoop, whoop. Made it to the gym. Only did like a 30-minute workout, and I kind of see why the gym was closed, but then why is it open? It's still so many repairs that need to be done. I was very confused. So I got on up out of there with my little 200 calories I burned. Then I went on to Kroger to get some more supplies, including, of course, Stralicia's. Y'all, I am so proud of me. I went 3 places after work. Had to definitely get me some more water. I forgot to tell y'all that CVS water I got the other week, this is nasty. It tastes like, and I know all water is like that, but it tastes like it was sitting in a factory. I said, absolutely not. I cannot do that. I'm having to buy another pack of water. Absolutely not, okay? This grocery haul was $52, but I got my mom some scallops and I got Stray Licious food. So that was a bulk of that. And I couldn't pass up getting some cashews for $4.05, y'all. Raw cashews, I had to get them. I'm sorry, I had to get them. But I'm really not gonna try to spend any more money until, I'm gonna try not to spend any more money until my party, because I still have to feed 25 to 30 people. So the plan right now is a baked potato bar. I'm planning on doing vegan bacon bits. I'm gonna do real and vegan sour cream, only because non-vegan stuff is cheaper, and I have about half and half coming. I'm not gonna hold you. I have about half vegans, half non-vegans coming. So the only thing, I don't mind vegetarian stuff at my parties, but there will be no meat. No meat will be ever at my parties, but I'll get them some real cheese because it's cheaper. I'll get them real sour cream because it's cheaper. But everything else, yeah, I think I'm gonna get that vegan steak. They loved that vegan steak last year. Vegan bacon bits. Oh, and they're fine with vegan butter. Yeah. So that's one part. So we're gonna do a baked potato bar, a hot chocolate bar. Ready Whip don't have vegan whipped cream no more, y'all. What happened to Ready Whip? So I need some Ready Whip. I already got the vegan marshmallows. I got the hot cocoa mix. I'll bring my almond milk that I already have. Hello. Or I'll get some creamer. Y'all leave me suggestions below of what you would want in your hot chocolate. Like I said, I was gonna do the hot chocolate, almond milk, but now I'm thinking creamer. Whipped cream. I got the marshmallows. I got the peppermint spoons from the dollar store. And I'm thinking that's it. Oh, and I got some chocolate chip sprinkles that were on sale also at Kroger. Oh, and I'm gonna get them some non-vegan pizza, and then I'm gonna get us some vegan pizza. So all together, I'm probably gonna spend about, what, 150 on food? That ain't too bad. 150 on food, maybe like 30 bucks on alcohol. So yeah, it's mostly renting the house for the party, and the decorations really was what cost me money. We don't have to talk about that. We don't talk about expenses, no, no, no. All right, y'all, headed on home to go put up this vlog. And dinner is going to be more spaghetti and tofu, because I still have more left. All right, y'all, just coming back to say good night after I eat dinner. Yes, it's cold in the trailer, but it ain't as cold as it was yesterday. Just come back to say good night, and I will see y'all on day tomorrow. All right, bye.